Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a known DirectX error in League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully up to date. And to ensure that, you just need to open up search, go to settings, then on settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and then restart your computer. And you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience to that app where I can basically update my GPU drivers. I just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest version of drivers. And after that, of course, I need to restart my computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can download directly DirectX driver from Microsoft official website. And just on Google, you need to write DirectX, and then probably it will be the first link by Microsoft.com. Download DirectX. So select that, press download, save to your computer. And once it's saved, then what you need to do here, you should get the setup. Just double click on it, and then on this window, you need to press I accept agreement. Just deselect this option here, press next, and install DirectX, and then restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.